Look at that. Hey everyone, welcome to the CaptainDrone YouTube channel. My name is Steve and I'm out here today with the J-10 and I've put skis on it. This is an EDF jet and normally it has wheels. You fly it in the summertime, but I just took off the wheels and I put skis. So this is pretty much a proof of concept video. In the wintertime, a lot of times I take my planes and I slap skis on the bottom. I just pull off the wheels. And the proof of concept is to see if it actually flies. Now, if you've never flown an RC plane with skis on it, these skis act like a big drag, so it pulls the plane from side to side. This is a delta wing, so it might be a little bit tippy. We're gonna see how it works out here. It's only a 64 millimeter. I did a full review on it in the summertime. I'll put a picture up top of what it looks like, my review. You can go check it out. The only thing I'm worried about out here is that it's really cold today, so things may freeze up. It's minus 17 degrees Celsius. I'll put what that is in Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna do one quick flight and that's about it. Hopefully this gets off the ground. Here we go. All right, so in my pocket, I have a battery that's been kept warm. This battery will only get me 3 minutes of flight time in the summer. In the winter, I'll be lucky to get like 2 minutes. So this is gonna be a short flight. Now, normally I wouldn't come out and fly on a day like today where it's windy and super cold. You know what the temperature is when I do the feels like temperature with the wind chill? There it is on the screen. That is insane. So yes, that means parts of my exposed body, like my fingers right here and my ears, are gonna start freezing. So I'm not gonna last long. So it's gonna be a super quick flight. Why does Velcro become so sticky in the winter? All right, the battery's in. Put the canopy on. Let's get this show on the road. On the bottom of the plane here, see if you can see it, I do have an Insta360 camera right at the bottom in the center, so that's gonna grab a little bit of footage. Okay, so the camera tells me it's so cold out here that the battery is low. No, it's too cold out for the camera. The camera says it's not going to work. So, oh darn, I have no flight footage to show you when it's up in the air, so I'm going to have to keep it close to my little camera on my head. But like I said, this is proof of concept for me that we can fly this EDF in the winter so that I can have fun this winter. Oh, it's going to be so fast. All right, wish me luck that this actually goes. Here we go. It's going. Let's see if it doesn't lift. Get up in the air, come on. Oh, I think this is no good. It's coming back to me. It's not enough speed. Come on, get up. No, 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 no. She's dead. Look at the tracks though. It was doing quite well. The back is so low to the ground. Oh no, oh, I see what happened. This ski froze and got chopped up and this one's upside down. Well, that's not good at all. Well, that's useless. You can't fly a plane like that. And if I put it down again, I don't know. Whoa, now I lost both skis. They're right here. Oh, that was a total fail. Look at this. Look at this. The skis came off and it pulled off the landing gear. So this is what the plane looks like without the skis. And now I've got a big hole for the EDF. So that was a total fail. Let's see. What happens if I toss this? Let's go give it full throttle. Wants to go. Well, that would have been good if I held on to my remote, but it fell down. Oh, wow. Okay, so we're not looking too good. We have a big hole here. This landing gear has taken a beating and I've knocked off the nose. You can tell this is one of my planes that I can beat the crap out of. I'm going to try to launch it again. Now that I have a big hole here, I might be able to take that, throw it this way. Watch this. There we go. Got it. Look at this beast. Beat the hell out of it and it still flies.
3 minutes.
All right, here we go. I'm going to bring it close to me so we can see it go by. High speed, here we go. Look at that. And you know the cool thing is I can put the pieces back together on this and it will look almost brand new. All right, I'm bringing her down for a landing. That was just one of my proof of concepts. All right, so the front landing gear is sort of hanging off, so I'm just going to try to bring it close to me over here. right at my ankles here. It's a Delta wing, so you can get it to do nice Delta things. Watch this. There we go. So this beast is an FMS plane. It's called the J-10, and I'm going to glue the parts back together, and I'll be flying this again in the winter and the summertime. So I'll put links below to where you can check this plane out. Thanks for joining me in this proof of concept. This plane did really well. Look at that.